Welcome back to Marky RC. This is the last part of the Ferrari 312 T3 build on the F103 RS chassis. As you can see, I painted both the body shells. We've got Carlos Routman on my left, and we've got, I think it's Gilles Villeneuve on the right. I'll put these cars onto the turntable, and then you'll be able to get a much better view of them spinning round. In the previous videos you can see all the chassis being built, so I won't bother taking all the bodies off. So I'll pop these on the turntable and let you see them spinning round. Here we have the Ferrari 312 on the turntable now, and I think that looks absolutely stunning. It still has that scale ecstasy sort of look about it, like it could almost be a slot car. But I think the Ferrari 312 T3, epic car. I've actually watched a bit of footage online with these cars racing back in the day, sort of late 70s, early 80s. And those drivers must be nuts. But really nice looking car, really good detail. I just think those big tyres on the back with the chrome plated wheels just sets it off. Probably going to do a few other F1 cars in the future, but the next build to do is the Honda City Turbo, followed by the Super Hotshot, and I've also got to start up the Tamiya TR15 Nitro truck. The batteries come for that now. I've had to change the servos, a few other bits and bobs, but that's in the pipeline as well. And then I've got a run video to do down the beach when the weather's good, with the HPI Rush Evo with the sand paddle tyres on. So they're the videos coming up in the future. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you could like and subscribe, it'd be cool for a new channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for your watching. See you later. Bye.